All right, we're continuing with problems out of Chapter 1, and we're doing some from 1.6. Make sure you see the video on multiplying and dividing by 0 to do these problems. These are some special cases. We're going to simplify these problems if they're just numbers in them. If there's variables, we're going to use these values for x, y, and z. X is 2, y is -3, and z is -4. So let's do the first one. We have a fraction, just numbers, so we simplify the numerator and denominator. The numerator, -2 minus 3 is -5 plus 5. Well, that's 0. And 4 minus 7 is -3. And anytime you take a number and have a 0 in the numerator divided by a non-zero number, so that means 0 divided by -3 is simply 0. So that's the answer to that one. Let's go on to number 2. -5 squared over 4 minus 4. All right, well, if we look at the denominator, we have a 0. No matter what the number is in the denominator, anytime you're dividing by 0, the answer is undefined. So the answer is this is going to be undefined. Now, you could have simplified the numerator, in which case this is the opposite of 5 squared, or -1 times 5 squared. It is -25 divided by 0, but still the answer will be undefined. All right, for number 3, we have 9 minus 3 squared and -6 plus 4. So in the numerator, if we do order of operations, I'm first going to have to do 3 squared, so that's 9 minus 9. And in the bottom, I've got -2. So I have 0 over 2. Again, when 0 is in the numerator but not in the denominator, the answer is 0. All right, number 4. So we need to simplify the numerator. That's going to be not 14 minus 2, but you have to do 2 times 7 first. 14 minus 14. And in the bottom, minus a negative means -5 plus 5. So I got 0 over 0. Anytime you have a 0 in the denominator, it doesn't matter what's in the numerator, the answer is undefined. All right, now we have to plug in the values for number 5 because there's some variables. So x is 2 and z is -4. And doing order of operations, that gives me 4 plus -4, which is 0. Okay, that's it. Let's do 6. 3 over 2x plus z. All right. For number 5, I just did 2x plus z, didn't I? And what did you get? We got a 0. I could go through that again and I'll still get a 0 in the denominator, which means this is undefined. All right, for number 7, we have to plug in the right values for the x, y, and z. So I have 3 times a -3 plus x, which is 2, over z, which is -4, plus 4. All right, what happens here? I'm going to do the bottom. Got 0. We know the answer is going to be undefined. Anytime there's a 0 in the denominator, hands down, the answer is undefined. If you did simplify the numerator, you would get -7, because you'd have -9 plus 2. All right, for number 8, we have 2x plus z over 5y. I've already plugged in the values because we had already done 2x plus z previously and got 0. And in the denominator, I have 5 times -4, which is -20. 0 divided by any number is 0. And so those are the end of the problems for 1.6, and that's part 4, working with the special cases anytime the answer is 0 because you're multiplying and getting 0, or you're dividing by 0 and getting undefined, etc.